Tucson skylights don't usually fail in one dramatic moment. The seal dries out slowly under years of desert sun, and the first hard monsoon storm just finds the weak spot. Watch for a yellow-brown stain on the ceiling, a cracked or cloudy dome, or a rubber gasket pulled away from the frame. Those point to flashing underneath that needs attention. On a tile roof, the tile is almost never the real problem. It's the flashing and underlayment hidden beneath it that dries out and fails first. David Contreras has repaired skylights on Tucson roofs since 2011, and most leaks we find come from a failed seal, not a broken skylight unit. We check the curb, the flashing, and the surrounding tile or shingles before we touch anything. Then reseal or reflash exactly what's failing, nothing more than the roof needs. DC Roofing of Arizona is licensed and insured, rated 4.9 stars across more than 100 Google reviews. ROC license number 328733. If your skylight is leaking or you just want to check before monsoon season, give DC Roofing of Arizona a call.